Hello everyone, and today we're going to show you how to install the X96 Smart Box. Now we just plugged in the X96. We can see the basic system update. If you go to settings, about, you can read the current version, and you have in build, you have the last date that you updated it. Here in settings, you go about media box. You can read about the serial version and other information about the X96. Here we have more option from X96 Smart Box. Now we had go and see we have not too many apps downloaded. After we update our smart box, we are going to download and test many different apps and see how they work in this smart box. Now we had go in wireless update and we start to download the new version. Press install. It will take a little bit, but you have to be patient and wait. Now the X96 is rebooting. We have to wait until it's done. Now let's wait for the installing, and after that we're going to go with other steps. Now it's done. The X96 is starting up. Let's wait to start up all the way. And now we can see the Android is updating. We have 48 apps in total. We have to wait to optimize all of them. So here's gonna take a minute as well, but you have to be patient and wait for the new result. Do not turn off your box. Be patient and wait until they are done. And now it's finishing the boot. Here we have the new version. If you go to about, we can see the new version of the box. We have the build, the date of the new version. We have the weather as well with location. And now we can go in Play Store, download the apps that we want, the apps that we watch. Basically now I'm going to download some of my favorite TV channels and movie channels, so I can watch TV channels with no problem and watch movie channels with no problem at all. Next we can download the YouTube, Facebook, Messenger, all of the apps. So you can download the apps that you like, the apps that you use. So now you can see how I download all the apps that I use. And you can download your apps as well. After all the apps are downloaded, we can test how they work. Do they work? Do they have any problem? And we're gonna see all of that. Now we just have to wait until the apps are done and all the apps are downloaded. we can see but that we can download games as well. Here we have a TV channel. So now the apps are downloaded. Some of them now are done. Some of them are still downloading. As you can see, we downloaded too many apps, but that is not a problem. The X96 have plenty of storage. Now let's go in Google. I'm gonna download the LiveNet. So you can see you can download stuff from the Google as well. You can search your favorite apps. You can download it with no problem at all. Some of the apps are already downloaded, as you can see. Now we have many options for TV watch it, to watch TV channels and movie channels. Before in my apps we had only some of the apps. Now we have twice as that or more. Let's download some more apps, and after that we can test them. Here we have the apps. And now let's go and open this app. Let's see how it works. As you can see, we have a 20-second ad that we have to wait until it's done. After this 20-second app, we can see how this works. So basically you go here, you can watch football or other sport live, and as you can see they work with no problem at all. This is working really good.